Hello, Amanda. So while I was watching your video, I noticed that you were talking about the homesick video and that you had thought that the counselor was sort of putting words into the client's mouth. Um, I think she was trying to use reflection as a way of like restating the client's feelings to make it feel like I understand what you're saying and I'm rephrasing it to show that I'm processing the information. But I thought it was interesting because when you said that, I'm like, I can see how that could be taken that way, though. And then that made me think, as a counselor, we have to really be careful because while you could do or say one thing to one client and them take it one way, you could do or say that same thing to another client and they may take it a different way. And so we really have to be careful, and I think that also holds true in everyday actions with people in general. What I would say or do with one person wouldn't necessarily be the same thing I would say or do with another person. And so as we get to know our clients, we can kind of feel out and gauge how they may take something. I don't know. I just thought that was interesting. I also thought that when you brought up the dancing video and how that counselor was always kind of processing what he was going to ask next, and it kind of made him seem like he was thinking more about the next question than being in the moment. I agree. When I was watching that video, I thought he seemed more distanced, but I couldn't quite put my finger on why. And I think what you said is probably that why. It's the reason why I felt like he was distanced. But so good job. I enjoyed your thoughts. Bye.